Hello and welcome to sisyaclass. So my dear students, in this video we are going to study about the heating effects of electric current. Okay, we know that whenever electric current passes through the conductor, there are many effects it shows, and one of those effects is the heating effect of electric current. Okay, you must have seen a lot of things wherein we observe the heating effects of electric current. For example, we see this in case of bulbs, okay? We see this in case of iron, right? Similarly, we see this in case of geysers, isn't it? And many other things, right? It is very simple that we say that whenever electric current passes through the conductor, it produces heat. Okay, that is known as the heating effects of electric current. All right, so let us start our today's session. This is about me. I'm your physics master teacher at sisyaclass, and my name is Nadeem Hafiz. I have over 5 years of experience in teaching students. So without any further delay, let us start the today's session. There we go. So as I already said that whenever electric current passes through the conductor, it produces heat. That's what is written here. Whenever electric current is passed through the materials, it will discharge energy in the form of the heat energy. This conversion of electrical energy into heat energy, okay? Because electrical energy, that is electric current is flowing, that electric energy is converted into the heat energy. This is known as the heating effects of electric current. Got it? Very good. There is one more, there is one more term used here, which is the Joule's law of heating. Okay, Joule's law of heating. Okay, what is that? Let us understand that. Okay, for example, I have a wire. Okay, I have a wire. The resistance of it is R. Okay, so the resistance of wire is R. The current is flowing through this wire, and the what is the current? It is I. Okay, it can be 2 amperes, 3 amperes, 4 amperes. Ampere is the unit of current. So I current is flowing through a wire, and this wire has the resistance R. Okay, and for how much time this current is flowing? It is flowing for the time t. Okay, it is flowing for the time t. So how much heat will be produced? Actually, it depends on the three things. Okay, heat produced heat produced will depend on three things. Okay, first is the current. So heat, if I represent heat produced by H, so heat produced is directly proportional to the square of the current flowing through it. That means for what time the current is flowing. Okay, for higher time, okay, let's suppose the current is flowing for 30 minutes, so heat produced will be a lot. Okay, so that's why if we combine these three, we get heat is equal to I square R into T. Got it? H equals to I square R T. See, heat is directly proportional to the current, okay, square of the current in fact, directly proportional to the resistance, directly proportional to the time as well. So for all these three parameters, heat produced is directly proportional. I hope you got it. So what is the formula? The Joule's law of heating. It is H equals to I square RT. Got it? Very good. Now let us see the other form of this. Okay. You must be knowing the Ohm's law. Okay. So you would say according to Ohm's law. Okay. According to Ohm's law. What is that? Let's write it here. V equals to I into R, isn't it? Yes, it is. So you would say that, sir, here I can write I equals to V divided by R. Done. We can write I equals to V divided by R. Just do one thing, just put this value of I in this equation. So you would get H equals to, now instead of this I am writing V by R. So it will be V divided by R, and it is whole square, so this square is of V and this square is of R as well, multiplied by R into T, isn't it? Very good. So see, this resistance and this resistance gets cancelled. Okay, what's the answer of it? H equals to V square divided by R into T. Okay, so this is the other form. You can write it like this also. Okay, see, one is very easy. H equals to I square RT. Second one you can write H equals to V square divided by R multiplied by T. I hope you got it, right? So now let us do the question on it. The question is saying calculate the heat energy produced in a resistance of R 5 ohms. Okay, so what is resistance given? Let us write it first. Resistance is given as 5 ohms. Very easy. Okay. When 3 ampere current flows through it, alright, so current is also given as, it is given as 3 amperes. Okay, till this point we don't have any issue because both of these units are the SI units. That's fine. But the time, it's saying that the current is flowing for 2 minutes. So time equals to 2 minutes. Now you know that the SI unit of time is seconds. It's not minutes. Okay. So if these two are in the SI units, the time should also be in the SI units. You don't have to do anything. You convert these minutes into the seconds. It's very easy. Multiply it by 60. So 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 2 minute will be equal to what? Yes, exactly. 120 seconds. Done? Very good. Now we just need to put these because we need to calculate the heat produced. So heat produced is equal to I square into R into T. Very good. What is I equal? It is 3. So you will say 3 square, isn't it? Multiplied by what is R? It is 5 and multiplied by 120. Done? Very good. So see, this is 3 square. This will be 9 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 12 is how much? It is 60. Okay, and then there is one more zero. Just tell me one thing. You just have to multiply 9 by 600. What will be that? Yes, 6954. Yes, and then there will be these two zeros. So heat produced. How much heat is produced? It is 5400 joules. Okay, because joule is the energy, the unit of energy, right? So how much heat energy will be produced? 5400 joules. Great. If you understood this, let's move to the next question. The next question says an heater of resistance 300 ohms. That's very nice. See, whenever you're solving the questions, you're solving the numericals, just jot down whatever you get. So first you get resistance. So resistance equals to 300 ohms. It's connected to a main supply for 30 minutes. So what is the time here? It is 30 minutes. Now we know I don't need minutes, I need seconds. It's very easy. Just multiply it by 60. Okay? 6 multiplied by 3 will be 18 and then there will be two zeros. So time is given as 1800 seconds. If 10 ampere current flows through the filament of the heater, then what is the heat produced in the heater? That's good. So current is also given as, it is given as 10 amperes. Now I need to calculate the heat produced in the heater. Very easy. Sir, the heat produced formula is I square into R into T. That's it. What is I equal to 10? So I'll write 10 square multiplied by, what is R? 300, isn't it? Multiplied by, what is T? It is 1800. There we go. All three in the SI units. So my heat, no heat which will be produced here, which we will get here, that will also be in SI units. H equals to 10 square will be 100 multiplied by 300, yeah, multiplied by 1800. Okay, so be smart. Okay, don't multiply these things, just multiply 3 and 18. Okay, Then write these zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get the answer. Okay. Tell me in the comment what is the heat produced here. Okay. Calculate it and let me know in the comments what is the heat produced. Very good. If you understood this, let us move to the next question. Very good. Now, this question says that a 3-volt battery. Now, catch. Okay. Now, voltage is given. Okay. Potential difference is given. It is equal to 3 volts. Done. Is connected across a 5 ohm resistance. So now what is given? Resistance is given and it is given as 5 ohms. Okay. Calculate the heat produced in 5 seconds. Okay. Time is also given 5 seconds. What I need to calculate is the heat produced, isn't it? I need to calculate the heat produced. Let us see. Let us solve this question. So heat produced will be equal to I²rt is the one. Okay. Remember when I discussed that we got one more expression and that was V square divided by R multiplied by T. Yes. Very good. Let us see. H equals to V is given as 3. So it will be 3 square divided by what is R? 5 ohms. Okay. Multiplied by what is T? 5 seconds. Very easy. Okay. 5 and 5 got cancelled. So 3 square is 9. So heat produced is equal to 9 joules. Done. So see, all of these were in SI units. So heat produced will also be in SI unit, that is joule. Got it? That's very nice. All right. Thanks a lot for joining. I hope you understood all whatever we studied. All right. Take care. Bye.